Hi everyone, welcome to episode 25, where we discuss another off-page SEO technique that works, and that is doing social media marketing. These days, social media is very much a part of most people's lives. As such, it is no surprise that marketers use it to promote their brands and products to reach out to those people. So, how is it done? Let's discuss. But before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. Brands promote on social media using content they created. For example, a brand promoting a new product might post on social media an article or product page. The article could be an information page to educate consumers about their product, or it could be a product page where people can see the product's attributes and even make a purchase there and then. When the brand shares such content on social media, they are actually creating awareness of the brand or product. Social media users see the post and visit the link to the page. They read, or sometimes watch if it's a video, information about the brand or product. And if they like what they find, the users respond and they like, share, or comment on the post and the content shared. During this journey, there are a few things happening that will benefit your SEO efforts. One of the first things that happen is social signals. While Google claims that social signals do not matter, the thing is, it does in an indirect way. When users visit your web page, this is an increase in traffic to your website. That is a factor that Google and other search engines notice. When traffic increases, the search engine notices it. They see it as users are interested in the content and that it has value. And when many users like, share, and comment on the blog post, search engines see it as high engagement. Social media posts with high engagement rates can do well on search engines. This is because it is seen that the post is popular with the users. As such, the post can get indexed and even appear on the first page of search results. This can result in your page or domain getting higher value and as such earning high authority. Another benefit of social media marketing is that you can get more quality links. Some users may find that your content is interesting or helpful and they share it with others. Some may even share the link to your content page on their own websites. All these can lead in getting more quality backlinks. And as we all know, backlinks are definitely one of the major ranking factors. As such, this can result in higher search ranking for your web page or website. First, you have to decide and choose which social media platform to be on. It's alright to have a presence in all of the social networks, but if your team is small and it's only you doing the work, then just pick one or two that perform better for you. And don't just create a social media account. Be active on it. Share quality content. Engage with your fans and followers. Some ways of engaging your audience is to reply to their comments within 24 hours, if possible, even immediately. Or you can get your customer support on the job and respond to all the questions, feedback, complaints, or compliments as soon as possible. As you can see, social media marketing indirectly helps your web pages or website to get ranked higher. So it's worthwhile to do it. But don't just dive in without any planning. You must plan what to do and when to post, and at the same time maintain high quality content. Also, remember to engage your audience. Do you have any questions about this video, about doing social media marketing as part of your off-page SEO techniques? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.